Today's section of CapCut from scratch will be about how to cut out or split video clips in CapCut with your smartphone. Let's open CapCut and create new project. Select the video clip of your choice from your folder and click on Add. So it's going to import the video to your project area. So we're going to start splitting. There are two ways in order to cut out video footage. One way is by using the split tool, and the other way is by simply dragging the footage to hide the parts you don't really need. So you click on Edit and you see where the split tool is located. So when you click on it, the video splits into two, and you just simply click on Delete to delete the part you don't want. You do this to cut out video footage you don't want to show in your video after editing. I'm simply just clicking on that arrow to undo what I have done. So now I want to cut out the video with the lady on green. I don't want this video footage, so I'm going to use the split tool and split and cut out that part by just simply clicking on Delete. Now you can see that the video with the lady on green is not there. I just simply use the split tool to split out the video and use the delete tool to remove it. As you can see, whenever I want to undo what I have done, I just click on the arrow pointing the left and it will automatically just undo whatever I've done. So we're going to practice the other method of splitting video. Okay, just simply hold on the footage and drag it to the point in which you feel it's okay. You also do this to remove any footage you don't want showing in your video. So that's how you cut out or split video clips in CapCut. If there is any question you would like to ask concerning today's tutorial, please drop it in the comment section and I'll be glad to answer. CapCut from scratch is a section-by-section tutorial for beginners. You will learn comprehensively about CapCut and how to create and edit amazing videos. So if this sounds like what interests you, kindly follow up with each tutorial. See you in my next video.